Hello, everybody. We wanted to let you know that the Deep in the Bible podcast is taking a break. Why? Well, stay tuned for our State of the Podcast bonus episode. Okay, so why are we taking a break? Well, I'm going to give you two reasons. The first is because we simply need a little time to recharge. We have just finished 30 consecutive weeks of Deep in the Bible lessons. These episodes take a tremendous amount of work in study preparation, along with recording, editing, distribution, and promotional activities, and we simply need time to recharge. To our loyal audience, this is a great time to catch up on past episodes that you might have missed from our 10 lesson series on the letter of James or our 20 lesson series on the Sermon on the Mount. Now, the second reason for taking a break is to give us an opportunity to reassess some things related to Deep in the Bible. From the very beginning, we knew that a podcast focused on deep Bible study was unlikely to go viral, but our hope was for slow and steady growth as we continue to produce high quality lessons. And while we did see slow and steady growth for the first few months, we then began to see our audience decline. And for this reason, we're going to take this break as an opportunity to reassess almost everything related to Deep in the Bible. We will never compromise our commitment to deep Bible study content, but we are going to reevaluate our presentation, our study guides, our platforms where we offer the content, and our promotional strategy. We also want to hear from you. If you have feedback about our Deep in the Bible lessons, please drop us a comment or reach out via socials or our website to send us a message. Again, we want to hear from you if you have feedback about the Deep in the Bible lessons. As always, if you believe in our mission to reach as many people as possible with deep Bible study, and you value our content, here are a few ways that you can help us reach a wider audience. Number one, share our lessons with your friends, your family, and your churches. This is absolutely the best way to help us reach more people, to share these lessons with others. Number two, subscribe or follow our podcast on your preferred content platform like YouTube, Apple Podcast, or Spotify. Number three, like our videos, our lessons, as you watch them on YouTube. What does that mean? That means click the little thumbs up button below the video as you're watching our lessons on YouTube. Number four, if you're watching our lessons on YouTube, leave us a comment as you watch them, or when you finish watching them, leave us a comment below the video. Number five, if you're listening to our podcast on Apple Podcast or Spotify, leave us a rating. Rate the podcast. Both of those platforms allow you to rate podcasts between 1, which is bad, 1 star, and 5 stars, which is the best. So we ask that you please leave us a rating. Now, all of those ways you can help that involve the various content platforms like YouTube, Apple Podcast, and Spotify. Subscribing, following, liking, commenting, and rating. What those things do is they help us encourage those platforms to recommend our lessons to other people. All of those platforms run on algorithms, and the more that you subscribe, you follow, you like, and you comment, the more that they will recommend those lessons to other people, to a wider audience. Number 6, follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And then number 7, share our post that we make on Facebook and Instagram. Again, all 7 of these things will help us reach a wider audience. And ultimately, as I said a minute ago, our goal, our mission is to reach as many people as possible with deep Bible study, with the gospel of Jesus Christ. So, how long is the break going to last? At this point, we're uncertain, but keep a lookout for an announcement about our next lesson series. To our loyal viewers and listeners, we love you and we appreciate you. Thank you so much for your support. Until next time, I'm Timothy Agee, and this is the Deep in the Bible podcast.